I'm in the process of making a drink out of the autumn berries, and I'll leave a link for the website that kind of helped me get this idea. So I'm taking a half a cup of these berries. Now I did freeze them. I'll also leave the link for that. It says that that can take some of the bitterness out of them, although they're not that bitter, but I'm just going to try this. So I'm going to put a half a cup in the blender. Now this is my own recipe I'm making up. I'm going to put a half a cup of water in. And then a dollop of honey. Okay, I'm going to blend this. It's probably going to be way too thick because everything's cold. Okay, it did blend up fine. Let me try some of it. Okay, I've got just a little taste in a shot glass, and you know what? It tastes pretty good. Maybe a little sweet. I probably won't need that much honey next time. But I think I'll go ahead and make a drink out of the rest of these berries. I did not add lemon juice like the link that said she did. I mean, these things are already pretty sour, but she said you could also use maple syrup, but this tastes really good. So it's a fresh, raw autumn berry drink. Thanks for watching. I'm having another glass. It's not bitter at all. I'll have to try it sometime. Well, actually, you know what? I can try another one with berries I did not freeze and test it. Okay, I'm trying another recipe, and this is of the unfrozen berries. Okay, I'm going to try a little bit of water and a big ice cube and a little bit of honey. Okay, we'll blend this. Alright, let's taste this. It looks good. Okay, well, that tastes good too. Now that is a little more stringent. Of course, I used a little less honey, but this one actually tastes like I added lemon juice to it, so I'm okay with that. Now, one thing about my blender, it's not breaking up the seeds really good, so there's a lot of pulp in this, but I like pulp, and possibly you have a blender that will break it up a lot better, and maybe, you know, you could add a little more water and lemon, and it might taste good that way. But no, I really like this raw autumn berry drink. I will definitely be making more of this.